Three, two, one. This is such a predicament of Cirrus research. The latest issue of the briefing is out. The title, Tech Strength Exacerbates a Crowded Market. And that is something that's surfaced really in the last few months, where not only have we known that there were 7 stocks really leading the S&P 500 and really the broader market, but what we're now starting to see is that those multiples are becoming extremely exaggerated. And so when we look at the tape as the way January started, and in fact, when you look into February as well, um, what we noticed is that the month opened up fairly well. But as you'll notice here, in terms of key performance themes, many of these groups, whether it's large cap, small cap, FANG, Bitcoin, many of them did not perform so well on the close. In fact, if you segregate the numbers by some of the key themes in January, what you'll find is that just about every group, except for the 10-year Treasury, really gave up a lot of ground, in fact, more than what they earned during the course of the month. And so this really underscores what we think is the heart of the concern here as we get into the full year, which is this idea about the interest rate support from the Fed is likely to be quite murky, and the market's just not priced for that. I think these sort of knee-jerk sell-offs on the hints of whether it's a surfacing inflation or something some Fed watchers have commented about. I think this is something we're going to have to deal with as we go through the year. At the end of the day, this crowded market in the US is going to really amplify these interest rate effects. And then finally, when we look at the broader market, if you look between large and small, what's really driving this gap is a pure focus on trending and also ignoring valuations. Where valuations seem to be adding value in the smaller cap area, it does not really exist. And in fact, it works against you the more you pay attention to valuations. So at some point here, with the profit cycle expanding, fundamentals will take hold. But to date, the gap has opened wide. Again, 2 quick things. Watch the interest rate risk, especially if you've got multiples in these Nifty 7 hitting extremes. And 2, this divide in the market may narrow, especially as fundamentals surface. With any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.